So I need to weld these two. So one is a nut, another is a bolt. Nut on top of a bolt. This one. So this welding I will do it personally and show you how to do. So this is my portable welding machine. So this is the inverter welding machine, a very portable and a very lightweight one. So let me show you how it looks. So this is my welding machine, and this is a very lightweight one. Yes. Very lightweight and small. If I show you the size, so almost around a palm and almost around 2 palms. That's it. Very lightweight welding machine. I have 2 clips, the welding clip and the earth clip. So using this, I have my welding rod with me. So let's begin. I forgot to show you my eye protector. This is a very mandatory thing which you need for welding. So this is a LCD glass. If you open it, you get a clear view of the welding like this, and as soon as you close it, it becomes dark. And the interesting part of this welding machine is, as soon as the welding arc lights up, that means there is a high intensity of light, automatically this glass will turn black. Let me show you. Let's assume this is the bulb. So if I go close to the bulb, automatically this will turn dark. You see, it's now dark. Again bright, it's dark. So this is how it doesn't allows the light to go into your eyes and protects them. So I'll wear this and do the welding. So this is how I have connected the welding machine. So if you look here, so I have connected one earth and one main line. So if I show you a closer look, you see the plus and minus, it has been clearly mentioned. So I have a knob over here. The task of this knob is to adjust the amount of current that you need for welding. So from 20 amps to 200 amperes. So this is a very powerful one. Now I will use this vise to hold both of them together so that they do not move. So like this, and I will tight it in a vise. So this is how I fixed it, so that it doesn't move. So this is how I connected the earth in my vise. Let me zoom out. So this is how I have connected the earth. Now let me show you a closer look while I'll do the welding. So this too needs to be welded. Now I will turn on the power. So now you can see in display it is 88 amperes. I will reduce the ampere to almost around 70, and then I'll do the welding. So once what is done, so this is how it looks. So this is the nut, and like I have welded it from all the sides to make it strong, and this is very strong because it is welded properly. Now this is not looking good because all the welding materials are scattered here and there. So for this I need to do grinding. So once I have done the grinding properly, then this particular thing will look very good. So that's my next step. So this is how it looks after grinding, you see. Now what I will do to give it a better look, I have used this chair buffer. So this has a hole inside it. I'll push through this hole, and hole is not that big, so I'll heat this one and then I'll push. So it is plastic and it will melt, and automatically it will go inside, and like it will form a quite good structure. So let me do it and then I'll show you. I have already melted it and pushed it inside. So this is how it looks. It's very strong, robust, it won't hurt. The welding is also like hidden, it looks beautiful. So now what I will do, just for cushion, I'll apply a pad in this surface. So a cotton pad sort of a thing. Let me show you. So this is a padding box. Let me open it up. So here we have different size of pads. Like these are the cotton pads, you should see. So very simple. You need to just open it up. There is a peeling sticker and you need to stick it. So I'll try to grab a similar sized one. So most probably this is the one, if I'm not wrong. Let me see. Yeah, this one fits perfect. So I need to punch a hole for this one, and once the hole is punched, I can just apply it. So let me punch a hole. So now you see, like I punched the hole. Very simple. Now I'll put it inside like this, and you see it's perfectly fitting. And simply what I need to do is like get a proper angle and then fix it. So I'll just peel off the sticker. So I peeled up the sticker. It has glue inside it automatically, similarly just like a sellotape. And simply just stick it on. That's it. Just press it well so that it sticks properly. Yeah, so now your cushion pad is absolutely ready. So this is how I made it. So perfect. Now the big question is, why did I made this? So what was the necessity? So for that, like let me show you the overall picture, and then you will understand like what is the need for this one. So I have with me is this recording microphone stand. So this is a microphone stand that you can see from the picture. So what happens, like whenever we record some kind of audio or like a video, so definitely we speak and we need a microphone for a good voice quality. So for that purpose, like this is the stand, so that you can align the microphone as per your needs near to your mouth, so that it captures proper audio quality. But my purpose is different. So I will be using this particular microphone stand for a overhead video stand, because like as you know, when I just upload videos, so generally I use this table platform to show you different kind of instruments, different kind of devices. So what I do, like I keep my mobile here, and then like underneath I do the video and it gets captured. So the point is, I do not have any kind of a overhead stand, and the overhead stands available in the market is very costly. So I thought of like creating some alternative, because like anyways this particular microphone stand you can incline it in any direction at any level. So I thought of utilizing this one and like fulfill my purpose. So now let me show you the stand so that you get a deeper understanding how it looks. So this is the stand I have with me. So if you look into this stand, so this stand has multiple parts. So the first part is this one. So you see there is a lever over here, and this is a threaded lever. So what happens, the microphone that we have for recording, like it has a thread inside it as well. So you need to plug the microphone over here as shown in the picture. So like if you look into this picture, so this particular microphone, there is a clamp and you can use this thread to screw up the microphone. Let me show you what the stand is. So this is the microphone stand. You simply need to insert the mic over here and you have like a thread over here. So it's very simple. You simply need to screw up this one and automatically this will go inside it and you can plug in your microphone. So I tied it in. So this is it. Now how to fix it in the table? Now let me show you that. So you have this. So very simple. This is a sort of a locking device. So whenever you have a table, just the table platform, push it over here and you rotate it to tighten the screw. So this will move up and it will just tighten the table. So very simple process. And this stand, if you look, like this stand will go inside this hole like this one. So you need to just little bit loosen it, just push it inside. Yep. So now you can rotate it to any direction and you can fix it into the table. So this is how the stand works. So let me fix it for you so that you get a proper idea. So I'll fix it here. So I simply will unscrew it to create up a space. Yeah, I'll push inside it and then I'll tighten it from below. So I properly fixed it. So this is not moving anymore. Now I'll take this stand, I'll insert this into this hole. And then, like as per my need, I can rotate it 360 in any direction. Let's assume I keep it here and then lock this stand. So once I lock this one, this will not move. This is now fixed. So now let me expand this stand and show you. So if I move this stand now, so this will go like this, and if I need, like I can move it ahead, and like for my overhead purpose, like I can bend it to any direction. So this is how the stand works. And like for example, if you are up to doing any kind of a crafts or anything, so like you can put up your paper and draw over here and etc. So this is a very diverse stand. So mostly this particular stand is used for a microphone. A person will attach a microphone, keep the microphone just very near to his mouth so that the voice gets captured properly and he will speak. So this is the basic purpose. My purpose for this particular stand is for video recording. But how do I fix camera over here? So for that purpose, I have created that particular attachment that you have been seeing till now. So but how to use it? So what happens? Let me show you. So I have this one. Let me open up this one. I opened it up and now I have my attachment with me which I made. I can simply put in this thread and it will get locked. That's it. And this thread that I welded is a universal thread for my tripods or like the camera holders. How? So let's assume this is my camera holder. So this is a spring based holder that we have. So using this one, and I'll simply just screw it in this one. So now this one is also fixed. Now if I had to do a overhead video footage, I'll simply bend it down. So I have my mobile over here, opened up the camera, and simply I'll just push the mobile inside this one, fix it properly. It's very simple. As you see, like this one is tightened up like this, and if I wish to open up the camera, Let me open up the camera. So you see the camera is now opened up and I can use it for my overhead video. So this is the basic purpose of this stand, that how I can use a microphone stand to capture videos using my mobile. And this particular attachment was missing, so I made it myself. Hope you guys like this video. So I made it for my purpose, and you can also use the same at your home to make it. Thank you. Hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.